Hey everybody, welcome to the Do Now. Here we go. Number one, what is the answer? A, B, C, or D? What is the angle? Go. All right, let's see. I don't know. Here we go. Okay, so we're finding this angle right here. So I'm going to label this right here, opposite the right angle, is the hypotenuse. And this side right here, the 10, is the opposite. And here is the adjacent right there. Because the adjacent is the side that is not the hypotenuse. That's part of the angle we're looking for. Opposite is straight across. Always draw that line. Okay, so we have so, ka, toa. Always write that. So where are the numbers? The numbers are at opposite and adjacent. So I'm going to use sine, cosine, or tangent. Yep, tangent. There we go. So tangent of question mark, I'm going to put x instead. Same thing. Equals opposite 10 over adjacent 14. There we go. So inverse tangent, both sides, because tangent, inverse tangent. There we go. Let's put that in our calculator. Calculate 85. Sorry, 84. Calculate 84. So second tangent, inverse tangent, 10 divided by 14, like that. And you get, am I in the right mode? I don't know. Let's see. Nope, I'm on radian mode. You got to go to degree mode, Mr. Irish. There we go. So I'm going to do that again. Second tangent, 10 divided by 14. Oh, there you go. So that's a better answer, right? That didn't make sense. It was like 0.6 degrees, so I knew that I messed up. So now I'm in degree mode, 35.5 about. 6 would be probably 35.5 degrees. So that would be A. There we go, to the nearest degree. So we round up to 36. There we go. Okay, next. Here we go. Try this one. How far is the plane from the airport? Ready, set, go. All right, let's check it out. Boop. Okay, here's the plane, here's the airport. So I need to figure out how far the plane is from the airport. So that's x. So I label, this is going to be the opposite. This is going to be the, hypotenuse. Yeah, you're right, hypotenuse. And then this is the adjacent. The part of the angle that is not the hypotenuse, that's the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. There we go. So what do I got? I got opposite and hypotenuse. What am I going to use? Yep, sine. The sine of 17 right there equals opposite. You got to do in this order, 12 thou over hypotenuse, which is x. Like that. What do you do now? Rhymes with also multiply. Yeah, cross multiply. There we go. 1 times 12,000 is 12,000. Then you have x times sine 17 is x sine 17. Opposite of multiplying is dividing by sine 17. There we go. So that equals 1. So 1 times x is just x. So this is our answer. I got to put it in the calculator. 12,000 divided by sine 17. There we go. Looks like that. We get 41,043.6. 41,000. Which is D. We got D. Yeah, nice. All right, one more. Let's knock it out. Here we go. What's the answer? A, B, C, or D? Find X. Go. All right, let's see what we got. Here we are. Boop. All right, this side is the opposite, and this side is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. I draw an arrow straight across to the opposite side. This is the adjacent side, but the adjacent side has nothing. So I'm going to use sine, cosine, or tangent. Yep, sine, because you have opposite and hypotenuse. So sine of 25 equals opposite x over hypotenuse 18. Boop. All right, cross multiply. That's how you do it every single time, right? X times 1 is X. 18 sine 25. There we go. 18 times sine 25. So I just calculated it up. 18 sine 25. So like that. And you get, boop, 7.6, about 7.6, 7.61. Which would be A. Nice job.